Understanding the role of audits in legal and financial cases. In this video, we explore the significance of audits in legal cases, particularly how they reveal financial interests tied to governmental and judicial processes. Audits help uncover financial arrangements and slush funds that may exist within county systems, providing critical insights into how cases are handled financially. The purpose of an audit in legal cases. Audits are essential tools for understanding the financial interests at play in legal cases. Many people seek audits to uncover discrepancies and irregularities, often driven by concerns about financial exploitation. An audit provides a detailed report of financial transactions, requiring users to interpret the data to identify critical patterns or evidence. Key financial documents to corroborate with an audit. Each county manages financial interests differently. To use an audit effectively, you must corroborate it with specific financial documents tied to the county's operations. These include the county's bond information. This includes the bonds of acting judges and their correlation with the oath of office. The Department Guide, a financial document disclosing grants, expenses, and revenues tied to county departments. The UCC filing on cases, often initiated by the county. This highlights the financial stakes in individual cases. The role of county bonds and judicial financial interests. Every acting judge is tied to the county's bond through their oath of office. This bond ensures financial coverage for their judicial actions and directly links them to the county's financial system. The date on the oath aligns with the date their name is added to the county's insurance, demonstrating a clear financial relationship. Understanding department guides. A department guide is a critical financial document that outlines county expenditures, including those of the courts and public officials. Larger counties with comprehensive court systems typically maintain detailed department guides that include financial data on grants, expenses, and salaries. These documents are key to linking audits with county financial disclosures. The UCC filing and its significance. Uniform Commercial Code, UCC, filings on legal cases provide insight into the county's financial interests in those cases. These filings often involve liens and trusts established as part of the legal proceedings. Understanding the UCC filings tied to a case is essential for recognizing financial motivations and constructing a robust legal argument. Steps to use an audit effectively. Obtain the audit related to your case or account number. Corroborate the audit with documents like the Department Guide and county bond information. Identify financial transactions, grants, and appropriations tied to the case. Focus on sections related to the Chief Judge and the Clerk of the Circuit Court, as these offices oversee key financial and administrative actions. Interpreting appropriations and financial terms. Appropriations in financial documents refer to the allocation or cashing out of funds for specific purposes. These terms highlight monetary movements within the county system. Understanding these terms through financial dictionaries and legal resources is crucial for recognizing financial patterns and anomalies. Why repetition and analysis are key. The concepts discussed, from bonds to appropriations, may seem complex at first. However, repetition and consistent review of these materials are essential for clarity. By studying these elements in detail, you can connect the dots and fully grasp the financial and legal mechanisms at play. Conclusion: taking control of the process. Audits are powerful tools when combined with a thorough understanding of county financial documents. By following these steps, you can uncover hidden financial interests, identify potential discrepancies, and strengthen your position in any legal or financial case. Keep studying, and take control of the process to achieve the best outcomes.